Welcome back everybody to our update for SMCI today on Tuesday. Before we're gonna go further, just remember our content is just for education purposes only. We don't provide any financial advice and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit or investment results. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss SMCI, because today, of course, we have a rebound of 3%. So where the price will go, why we didn't break the $50 yet. Everybody asking this question. A lot of people don't have any patience right now. So let's discuss further for the daily update for SMCI. As I promised, guys, we have to do updates every day for SMCI for this month. So let's get right to it and discuss where the price will go, because right now we have almost 4%. The volume is still around 17 million. The good thing that we have to discuss today is the third bounce from this support. You see here on the last month in June, we have one bounce and test. First of this month in July, and of course just yesterday around the 46.34. So we have three loading places where the price held, and now we have a bit of level that we have to break at the moment over this ascending channel to give us the first signal that we started to reverse and go on the bullish side. So how much we actually missing here? We missing just few percentage. So right now we did 3%. We missing another 3% to break from this flag and go toward the 56.66. However, we have the other scenario is not breaking this level and go down to do another top or another test for this current support here over this other white line, which is over here over the 43, then bounce up. But the best case scenario is holding over this triangle. You see here we have this accumulation since almost 2 weeks. So once we break, we're gonna have another continuation up, like what happened here, like what happened back in May. We might have it again this week. As you can see here, the perfect breakout happened after the earnings from this flag. So the same reaction that happened here, we might have it happened here as well. So now is imminent, guys, because we got first 1, 2, 3 tests, and this is the fourth from above, and we have 1, 2, 3 from below. So this is it. We should have a breakout at any moment as long as we hold the 46.34 and break the 50.56. This will be the first signal that we start to move up and go from the bearish to bullish side for SMCI. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you think the price will go to this month. Are we gonna have a breakout for this resistance this month or this week, or we're gonna have a pullback as we discussed around the other white line before I continue higher? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget, guys, we always do update every day for mini stocks and our Discord and Patreon. So the link comment section below, guys, if you want to have mini update as we do every day for mini stocks, as you can see here for our hunters and Discord and Bitcoin. And of course, we always do major update for swing trade stocks because the earnings season is coming up in the coming few weeks. So if you want to have a major update for those blue chip company for the best entry and perfect exit for those stocks, the link in the comment section below for our community on Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.